Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 earbuds. These are the MTW4 series model number earbuds, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, which you're going to want to do for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear, this hard reset to the factory default settings will fix a lot of those issues. You will need to set it up again because all the pairing history and everything will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do it. If you're just trying to get a fresh start with these earbuds for whatever reason, by deleting all the pairing history, we can go ahead and do that. It's very easy to do. First thing you need to do before you reset these earbuds is you want to turn the Bluetooth off on whatever you've had them paired with in the past, because this won't work if they're trying to pair with something that they've already been paired with. And once you've done that, you're just going to go in and take one of the earbuds out and have one earbud in, and you're going to close the case. And then with the earbud that's out of the case, we're just going to press and hold the touch panel on the back of the earbud for 15 seconds until the indicator light starts to blink red and green. Alternatively, which indicates it's now been reset and is in pairing mode. Once we do that, we can open the case, take the other earbud out, and do the same thing. Press and hold for 15 seconds. Make sure we don't get the earbuds too far apart, because if they get more than about a foot or 30 centimeters apart, they won't pair properly with each other. So anyways, with the second earbud, we're just going to do the same thing. Press and hold for 15 seconds until we see it blinking red and green as well. This other earbud has been reset as well. Now they should automatically pair with one another, and you can go ahead and set them up as a new set of earbuds.